How to delete Instagram calls. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply delete Instagram calls. So what you have to do is, first of all, go into your Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, search for the Instagram application and make sure it's updated, because new features won't be available on the previous versions of Instagram application. And the same has to be done for if you're using Apple devices. You just have to go into your App Store and search for the Instagram application and update it if it's not. And if it is, then that's a thumbs up. So once you'll open the Snap Instagram application, so you're going to go into the messenger icon that is at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can find a calls icon or a call bar, and when you're going to swipe below, you can find that you have been called by this person. You can simply, there are two ways to remove our calls. First is simply delete it. Once this chat dialog box appears, just delete it and all of the chat would be disappeared. The second way to do that is to, if that person has called you, go into here and just simply remove that call. So this is how you do it. This is how you simply delete all the Instagram call records. I know some of you guys will have trouble in this video, and if some of you guys have the problem, just feel free, comment down below and I'll love to answer. And just don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Alongside this, don't forget to press that bell icon. Till next time, peace.